What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Shaq, man. We're back with another video. Alright, on today's video, y'all, we finna be changing out my foot pedal sensor, or throttle pedal sensor. So I'm finna show y'all. So you gotta take this fucking screw out right here and right here. It's a 10 mil. Hold on, y'all. Nope, wrong way. Once you take these out, then you take that little sensor out right there. It's gonna be simple as that. Hold on, let me show y'all. It ain't in there real good either. Tell you that much. You can basically do this shit with your damn hand now. You need this right here. You need a 10 mil and this little baby one right here. You don't need all that. Some people was using so many damn extensions to get this shit out. You don't need all that, man. You do not need all that. And this is for, man, what the fuck? Hell no. Hold on now. Oh shit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it's hot. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna set that motherfucker right there. Hopefully it don't fall. That's how we gonna do it. Put that gangster style, you see? Ain't that bad up here? Huh? Shit, I don't know what it is. That 2 for $5, goddamn it. Security guard. I ain't got that on. Now, take it off like this. Then you unscrew it. Lift this up right here first. And then you can actually take that apart. So I'm finna show y'all. Hold on. As simple as that. Got it out. Simple as that. This old motherfucker right here. Literally, this thing right here stopped my whole car from starting. Sent my whole motor in limp mode. All because of a foot pedal sensor. But God don't. You know what I'm saying? But we got the new one right there, you feel me? So, we finna stick this new one on, and we finna see. Man, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. Got that new thing. Got that new thing right there. Boy, that thing glistening, my boy. Ooh, just stopped off the showroom floor. But so when you do it, you gotta stick the sensor back in there first, and then stick the screws back in there. Then you all set. And then, I'm finna show y'all. Wish I can do it like that, but y'all get the picture. Hey, get up off. And that's how you put the foot pedal back in. That's how you got the brand new foot pedal. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tune in for the next video. Hopefully it's gonna be starting up. All right, y'all.